brown one with speckles.
Brown I can manage, but I'm fresh out of speckles. What's that? There's a dirty footprint on the shag. It's always in a place where it shows. Some people are so thoughtless. Why can't they step on the pattern section like civilized folk? Never mind where they stepped. My point is that someone has stepped at all in our house. And look there! Whoever it was has burst one of our pillows!
I'm not a burst pillow.
Oh my word! It speaks! What are you? Animal, vegetable, or mineral?
Duck. Duck. I'm a duck.
Are you sure you're a duck? Was your mother a duck?
Yes.
Well, she must have been sick as a parrot when she saw you. But that's certainly good. Thank you. I don't believe I've ever seen such an ugly duckling. What are you doing in our house?
Sheltering from the cold. Saw the door was left open. I didn't think I'd have to step inside.
Not hurt? Not hurt? Well, let me tell you, the marks you've left on the carpet will drive the old woman to get the carpet fresh. And we can't stand the smell of that, can we, dear? Steady, Queenie. Don't upset yourself. It's obvious he's going through the mold. Hormones running amok, irrational behavior, mood swings.
What of it?
I don't believe I like your tone, young poultry, my lad. And mind that, you'll be rocking the anti-Macassar next.
Is that anti-Macassar?
I don't know, but it obviously works. Hasn't been a Macassar in the house as long as I can remember. Oh, Queenie, it's awfully good. You're a funny cat. Thank you.
Cat? Oh, are you a cat?
Of course, I'm a cat.
Are you going to eat me?
Don't be disgusting the very thought. I've never been into the bird butchering business. Can't be doing with all those feathers. It's like eating a meal and flossing your teeth at the same time. No, the woman poaches me a fresh fish.
But the old woman's a person. And you're a chicken. Why should she keep you inside? Don't you prefer to be outside?
You must be crazy! All that scratching and scraping? I live on the couch, thank you very much. Queenie and I are domesticated, you see? It takes all sorts to make the world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make the world, but we don't want to hear. Our taste is good and clever good. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make the world. It's just that our sorts best. So you should be honored that we're even bothering to enter into conversation with riffraff like yourself. You see, Lowbutt, so named because of an obvious deficiency in the leg department, Lowbutt is normally most particular about whom she chooses to speak to. And I might tell you that Queenie is downright snobbish when it comes to social intercourse with poultry. I find myself most fortunate that a common interest in needlepoint has rendered us such close friends. When one explores the great outdoors, one fears what one may see. We know waters of perfect peace is in numbers and sea. Outside the world keeps changing, it's a constant state of flux. It doesn't suit domestic folk, it's best left for you ducks. Oh, it takes Oh, so best.
If we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
I'd be delighted, though it's true you're a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes a bit of rough. You loose cat!
Meow.
You